how to see saved Wi-Fi password in laptop or Windows 11. If you don't know the password, what is the connected Wi-Fi password, or what you have connected already, you want to find the password of your Wi-Fi. So here is the video. Now as you can see here, this is our Wi-Fi signal area. From here we do connect the Wi-Fi. So whenever you come here in this area, so if you click on this right arrow, you will see on the right side, and here is we have two options here. First option you will see more Wi-Fi settings, and other one this question mark. So if you click on that, you will go to the properties of your Wi-Fi network. So you will see here all the settings and all the IP address and all. So what you need to do is scroll down or scroll up and until you see Wi-Fi network password. So if you click on show, you will see here is the password of our Wi-Fi. So this is how you can easily find the password of your Wi-Fi network. So that's all for now. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe Dr. Mobo YouTube channel.